Please give a huge welcome to Lukas Pfeiffer. Yeah.
I wasn't allowed to use a presentation, so this is what I got. So, I'm something called, or my diploma says at least, I'm a spacecraft system engineer. There are two things which is not so nice about that. A, everybody thinks you become an astronaut. You don't. Second, whenever you're in a bar and you say something like, oh, that girl over there is nice, right? And your friend's like, yeah, go over her, like, talk to her. It's not rocket science. And you're like, rocket science is easy. Dating is not. So I came up with the idea, let's use rocket science for dating. And that's what I'm going to explain to you a bit. So, control theory. In control theory, we try to control a system, S, let's call her Sarah, which has certain states X, things like her temperature, her position, is she relaxed, is she hungry, things like this. And she has certain inputs U, things like, is her conversation partner nice, did she have something to drink, and things like this. And the aim of control theory is now to find a certain input U, so that the state of our system becomes a desired value W. So how we do this is by introducing a controller C, let's call him Carl, and Carl takes the reference value, the desired value, and measures the state of Sarah and tries to, that's okay, not so good in drawing, and tries to extrapolate like what kind of view he has to do. So that sounds pretty easy. It theoretically is. The problem, however, is the problem is that this depends heavily on Charles, because like Leonardo DiCaprio definitely has better inputs than he does, or than I don't have. And the other problem is like Sarah is not only like interacting with Charles, like there's also the environment. And the environment has like much bigger inputs on her than I have. That's a big problem. And the other problem is, so I said she's like measuring the states of Sarah, but like measuring the states of a person is not that easy. So let's some examples. So if she has goosebumps, is she just like is she cold and just needs a jacket, or was I just a super creep? or something else, like she smiles. Is she happy? Was I just funny, or was I again a super creep? So you see, like different inputs have different outputs, so that's a bit critical. So the whole point of us is like we have no clue what this is. This is like a big question mark for us. We have no idea. And if the engineers don't have an idea, we go to the physicist and ask them to make a model out of it. And the physicists are really good at making models. So they come up with a model. So they have these crazy partial differential equations, space geeks. But the problem is with these differential equations is you can't use them. Like these models, they're still way too hard to solve, and you need supercomputers, things the physicists have, but they also don't have women. So what we then come up is, the engineers then come up, okay, physicists do some cool work, let's make it easier again. We make a linear model out of it. So you could say like, how much has this still to do with the original system? I don't know. And that actually is the problem. Like I had an introductory class today, and I learned that this is not a good model of a human. Like this does not work. And I can tell you it doesn't work in dating. So now you think like, what has this all to do with the spacecraft system engineering? So this is no joke now. The title of my diploma thesis was controller design. There usually coming more stuff. We like long titles. Controller design for rendezvous maneuver with an uncooperative partner. That's the idea of this talk, by the way. So, what does that mean in not spacey talk? So if you have two satellites which want to meet in space, that you call the rendezvous maneuver, and one of them doesn't know that the other one is coming, that's called uncooperative. And now you think that what has this all to do with what we just talked about? If you just make this satellite 1, this satellite 2, then it's exactly what I did for my diploma thesis. And obviously works for satellites, but not for dating. So I just proved to you that rocket science is easier than dating.